Don't stop and don't stop trying. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. All the poison them where them put in your food you have to eat, you go eat it and it not kill you because God keep you. God will keep you and God will cover you. You is a mother, you is a daughter, you is an auntie, you is a sister, you is a father like somebody else, and God keep you to take care of your children and your home or ever. Don't let nobody force your business out there more because them feel like they're entitled. Keep your business, do what you have to do by yourself, my sister. I love you, Rosealee. I love you. I love you. I love you. You is a good teacher. You is a good friend. You is a nice girl. You understand me? You is nothing wrong with you. Keep your big back and your big belly and love it and enjoy it just the way you is. A whole we have slim body and small body, and we are drunk on the inside. We are not nothing. Me have to talk like this because of the truth. Them believe say because them look good on the outside and them have this and them have that, them are nothing. You be who you are and be the nice, loving person you are. Don't let none of these women and men who can't sleep at night time because of the evil and the garbage that them do in life to prove that they are somebody. Make them can't sleep. I saw them stay and them now stop. They are demons. And the demon of one job is to kill, steal, and destroy and take your blessing from you. Don't give it to them. God put you here, sir, to take care of your home and your family. And nobody have no authority to take you down from here, sir. Love you, my friend. Love you, love you, love you, love you.